Hello everyone. Thank you so much for helping us with all of these forms. These forms are very important and necessary for our program. I know they were difficult, but we really appreciate it. Now there is one last thing we need to do. We have some pages where we need your signature. So we can't do this in person and give you the paper, so I'm going to show you how you can sign using WhatsApp. We have 3 forms that we need to sign. One is for photography and videotaping and original work. One is for emergency medical treatment and emergency contact. And the last one is to participate in the class. All 3 are necessary. When we have class in person, I can give you a pen and you can check and write and sign and date, and it's all so easy. But I can't give you the paper. I will show you how to do this with WhatsApp. The first one is for photo consent. Now, the first thing I will say is this will be much easier if you turn your phone. It will be easier to look at and easier to write. On the photography and videotaping form, there are 1, 2, 3 check boxes. The first check box is for consent for my program to use photos of you, videos of you, or audio of you to promote our program and tell people about our classes. The second box is for my program to use your classwork to promote our program and help people find our class. For this and this, you can choose yes or no. You must choose one though. The last one, I acknowledge that I am 18 years of age or older. This one you must check yes. This says I am an adult. Okay, so I will need the drawing tools. I tap the screen to get the tools options, and I touch this for the drawing tools. I will use black. So first, I need the pencil, the drawing tool, to check. I will use my thumbs and I pull them out to go in, zoom in. Now I can check. Oh, I made a mistake. This arrow here will erase the last mark. So if you make a mistake, you can use this back button to erase. I need 3 checks. So for me, I will say yes, yes, and everyone must say yes to the last one. Then I can zoom out. Now here we need you to write your name, sign, and put the date. This is for children, do nothing here. Okay, for my full name, for my complete name, and for the date, I can use the text. I type my full name. Okay, when I'm finished, I touch the screen, and now I can use my fingers in or out to change the size and move it. I want to put it on the line. This is good. Now we can do the date. I touch text again. And today is August. I put a dash between the month, the date, and the year. 19th, 2020. Now I finish writing. I can touch the screen. I can change the size and move it to the correct place. Okay, now the last part, the most hard part, is the signature. The signature must be unique and special to you. For this, I will use the drawing tool that we used for the check boxes. Okay, and it's very small, so I will need to make it bigger to make it easier to write. You can use cursive or you can use regular print. So I will show you an example with regular print. ERIC SHEL. Okay, not pretty, but it does work. Okay, when you are all finished, touch the send button to send it to your teacher. For page number 2, for the emergency contact, we need a lot of information. So first, you must check yes. We need your complete name. We need your signature and the date. Here, we need the name of your emergency contact. If you have a problem, if we cannot speak to you, who can we call? So for me, I would use my wife's name, my wife's phone number, and then I write relationship to me, wife. This will be different for you. You can use your children, your cousins, your friend. You can use your case manager. You need someone that you know who we can call if we cannot speak to you, if we try your phone and it doesn't work. So, like I did with the photo consent, I'm going to use the drawing tools to do the checks. I'm going to use the text tools to do the name and date, and I will use the drawing tool to do the signature. I will show you when I'm finished. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. I check yes. I have my name with the text. I have my name with the drawing tool. Ooh. So remember, this back button will be very important. Anytime you move something around, touch the back and it goes back to place. I have the date. And then for my emergency contact, I have the first and last name. I have the phone number. This here is not a real phone number. You need to send us a real phone number, of course. And then I have the relationship, wife, cousin, friend. When I finish, I send. Okay, and on this last page, the consent to participate. Everyone must do this, and everyone must say yes. So at the bottom, you do nothing. This is for children. We need yes. We need your full name. We need your signature with the drawing tool and the date. Okay, and here we can see this is finished. I check yes. I have my full name with the text. I have my signature with the drawing tool, and I have the date. Now I can send to my teacher. And that's it. Thank you so much. Stay safe.